Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. All right, today we're going to be continuing our R2 build. We've got issue 39 right here, and we have some parts, and it looks like they're giving us a container to hold all of the extra screws and stuff. Let's get this open and see what they gave us. And here are the parts we get with this issue. We've got the hydraulic arm coupler, the hydraulic arm cap, and the hydraulic arm piston, and the arm shaft. A few more screws, and they did indeed give us a little case to hold the screws. And it's even got a slot for the official screwdriver that came with the set. Now, I don't actually use this screwdriver. And for those of you who've been following me since the beginning, you know I use a pillbox set to keep all of my pieces together. Now this is really nice of them. It's a little late in the game, but I may transfer everything over so I can use this pillbox for a different model. Okay, for this assembly, you're also going to need to get a little bit of crazy glue. Not particularly happy with gluing things together because you can't take them apart afterwards, but it is what it is. So we're going to begin by putting a little dab of glue right on this post around here. I'm going to put that right in the hole in the block. Just like that. Whoops. Go. We want to hold it together until it seals. Alright, next you're going to want to glue these together, and you'll see that this is keyed. It can only go in one way, just like that. So we're going to apply some glue to the post. Slide it together. We're going to let that seal a little bit too. Alright, this does not want to stay. No matter how much glue I put in there, there's just too much play and not enough surface for this to adhere strong enough. Maybe it's the glue I have, I'm not sure, but either way, I'm going to have to figure that out a little later. For now, you can see there's a slot here, and there's a groove right there. We're going to have to glue that in place just like that. I'm going to give this a little more time to dry and hope for the best, but I do know that once we get the frame around it, it's actually going to be really difficult for this to come off, glued or not. So for now, let's give it a little time to dry. Okay, this is dried about as much as it's going to. And what you're going to do next is you got these two posts, you got two holes right here. Just slide those in, and you screw them in from the other side. I believe these are the 6mm silver screws. The instructions don't actually specify, and I can't remember from the previous, from the right leg, so I'm gonna guess and hope for the best. And there you have it. Issue 39 is complete. All right, well, that was a fairly short and sweet issue. We've got our new assembly here. Like I said before, I'm not a big fan of gluing things together. It's just not as stable, and whenever it does attach, you can't take it back out again. Well, we still have plenty of issues to go, and hopefully this will seal by the time we get to the next one. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.